Millionaire mindset shift. Adopting a millionaire's mindset involves more than just setting financial goals or making smart investments. It requires a shift in your overall approach to life and your attitude towards money. To cultivate a millionaire mindset, you need to believe in your own worth and value, and seeking out opportunities for growth and expansion. This kind of mentality allows you to focus on the possibilities and potentials available to you, rather than dwelling on your limitations and challenges. Let's discuss it. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Forget your money past. Many people have a complicated relationship with money. Whether it's dealing with debt or feeling like there is never enough, financial stress can take a toll on one's mental and emotional well-being. However, it's important to recognize that these struggles do not define us, and that we have the power to change our mindset and habits when it comes to finances. In order to move forward, we must let go of any shame or guilt about past money mistakes, and focus on creating a healthier relationship with money. Number 2. Focus on becoming wealthy. One of the keys to building wealth is setting clear financial goals and developing a plan to achieve them. Additionally, it's important to surround yourself with those who support your ambitions and can offer valuable insights to help you grow both personally and financially. Wealth provides an immense amount of freedom and allows you to pursue passions and live life on your own terms. It starts with a mindset shift and a willingness to prioritize financial goals over materialistic wants. Number 3. Create habits that grow your wealth. Building wealth is not just about making money or finding ways to cut expenses. It's about cultivating positive financial habits that can make your money grow. Habits such as tracking your expenses, budgeting, setting financial goals, and investing can help you create a plan for your money and stick to it. These habits are not formed overnight. It takes time and discipline to create lasting change. Additionally, creating and sticking to a budget can help prevent overspending. Developing a mindset of abundance instead of scarcity and continuously educating yourself about personal finance will also set you on the path towards long-term financial growth. Number 4. Believe financial success is possible. Financial success is something that everyone desires, but not everyone believes it is possible. However, having a positive mindset and being open to learning can go a long way in achieving this goal. It's important to educate yourself about finance, investments, and business in order to make informed decisions. With hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take calculated risks, success is possible. Number 5. Write down your financial goals. One important step in attaining a millionaire mindset shift is identifying and setting clear financial goals. Setting goals can help provide direction and motivation as you work. Before setting your goals, take some time to reflect on your personal values and priorities. This will allow you to create goals that align with what's most important to you, and therefore increase the likelihood of achieving them. Number 6. Use affirmations. Developing a millionaire mindset is not just about having a lot of money, it is also about transforming yourself into a successful person. One way to achieve this transformation is through affirmations. Affirmations help change your focus and way of thinking from a negative mindset to a positive one. For example, instead of saying, "I'll never be rich," you can say, "I am worthy of abundance and success." By repeating positive statements to yourself regularly, you can set yourself up for success and start to believe that you're capable of achieving financial abundance. Number 7. Set big goals. It requires setting big goals that push you to think beyond your limitations and take action towards achieving them. By setting high aspirations, you create a sense of urgency that motivates you to work harder and smarter. Additionally, this mindset shift involves surrounding yourself with those who share similar goals and beliefs, cultivating a strong and positive environment that encourages growth and prosperity. Number 8. Take action. Building wealth and having a millionaire mindset requires taking action. Setting and pursuing money goals can demand a significant amount of work, commitment, and dedication, but the rewards often far outweigh the costs. This involves thinking about money in a different way, prioritizing financial freedom and long-term growth over immediate gratification. By taking action and cultivating a wealth-oriented mindset, anyone has the potential to achieve their financial aspirations. Number 9. Grow confidence. Confidence is a key aspect of this mindset, as those who possess it are more likely to take risks and pursue their goals relentlessly. By embracing the belief that anything is possible with hard work and perseverance, you can unlock a world of opportunities that might have thought were impossible. The road to success may be fraught with challenges and setbacks, but those who maintain a positive attitude will be better equipped to overcome these obstacles and emerge victorious. Number 10. Remove any scarcity thoughts. One of the most important aspects of this mindset is the removal of scarcity thoughts. Instead of worrying about running out of resources or opportunities, millionaires tell themselves, "There's more where that came from." This shift in mindset allows them to approach challenges with a sense of abundance and gratitude. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 11. Take small steps to change. Developing a millionaire mindset shift requires consistent effort and perseverance. It can be easy to become overwhelmed with the thought of achieving great wealth, but it's important to remember that small steps add up over time. Taking just one small action each day towards a financial goal can make a significant impact over the long term. With each successful step, confidence and momentum will build, propelling you towards greater success. Number 12. Think of ways to double your money. Investing your money can be a great way to increase wealth, but it's important to remember that all investments come with some level of risk. To truly double your money, it's a good idea to diversify your investments and have a solid understanding of the market. Consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds or starting a business to spread out risk. Additionally, remember to always do research and stay informed on the latest market trends and news. Number 13. Keep a budget, journal of all financial transactions. Managing personal finances can be overwhelming, but with the proper tools, it is possible for anyone to achieve financial success. One of the key tools in achieving a millionaire mindset is keeping a budget. A budget allows you to see exactly where the money is coming from and where it's going. Another crucial aspect is keeping a journal of all financial transactions. It's essential to start with a budget that outlines all incoming and outgoing expenses. Keeping a journal can also prove to be invaluable in creating accountability. Number 14. Financially educate yourself. Financial literacy is a fundamental aspect of building wealth. Educating yourself about finances, investing, and money management is key to developing a millionaire mindset. By understanding the basic principles of finances, individuals can create a foundation for prosperity. Whether it's through reading books, attending seminars, or seeking advice from experts, there are countless resources available to help you become financially savvy. Number 15. Spend less than you earn. Developing a millionaire mindset requires the ability to manage your finances wisely, and a critical aspect of financial management is spending less than you earn. While it may seem obvious, it is a common mistake for individuals to spend above their means, leaving little room for savings and investment. To avoid falling into this trap, it's important to create and stick to a budget that allows for wise spending habits. By consistently making thoughtful financial decisions, the path to building wealth becomes much more attainable. Number 16. Don't think negative about yourself. Having a millionaire mindset requires a positive attitude towards oneself. It is important to believe in your abilities and not think negative. This can be achieved through self-improvement and continuous learning. Developing a growth mindset can propel individuals towards success, while a fixed mindset can hinder growth. Number 17. Never compare yourself to others. It's common to look at other people and compare your own success to theirs. However, a key aspect of having a millionaire mindset is avoiding this detrimental habit. It's important to understand that everyone's journey is different, and success can come in varying forms. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own growth and progress. Number 18. Sacrifice leisure. It's important to understand that hard work and sacrifice are necessary components. This often means sacrificing leisure time and putting in long hours of focused effort towards your goals. It's crucial to adopt a growth mindset and continuously push yourself out of your comfort zone to improve and learn new skills. By having these traits and working towards them consistently, you can pave the way towards abundance and success. Number 19. Be disciplined. A mindset shift requires discipline and identifying the causes of failure. One must be willing to work and make sacrifices to achieve financial success. This involves setting realistic goals and staying focused on achieving them even in the face of challenges and distractions. Overcoming personal weaknesses and obstacles is crucial in building the habits and mindset necessary for financial prosperity. Don't forget to visit our description link below. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.